Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha. For those who are new, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can see, I have another curly unit. I'm in my curly era, in my curly bag. I have been obsessed with curly hair really because it's like been fitting into my lifestyle, like very lazy, you know what I'm saying? But before, I feel like curly hair was more of a hassle. It was higher maintenance. I've been on the hunt for some good low maintenance popping curly hair. And so far, so good. We're getting hit after hit after hit. I've been trying different products with them, seeing how to sleep on it, how to maintain it, and it's just been so wonderful. But as of right now, for my day-to-day, this has just been a lot easier, and I'm enjoying it. It's super fun. It's super flirty. And you guys know me, I love big hair, so you guys are going to see the hair like wet and like nice and juiced up. And this is the hair at the end of the day. I believe, when did I leave? This is like 8 hours later. This is like completely dry, and I have like combed it out. So it could have stayed, you know, contained, but I just feel like the bigger hair just looks better. It frames your face a little bit more. But you guys will get more tea on the hair in the video. So if you're interested in this hair, check out the description box. Shout out to Wigginshair for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the information for this wig down below, and keep watching. All right, it was time to get my day started and get it together because I looked a mess. Oh my gosh, my hair looked crazy. I shocked myself. So I'm going to prep my hair before putting on the wig. A lot of you guys always ask, how do I keep my edges? How do I keep my wig on without glue? Yada, yada, yada. Baby, first of all, I'm tender-headed, okay? I don't do braids. I don't do any of that. I slick my hair back. So I did use like a keratin spray or use any kind of leave-in conditioner so that when you're combing through your hair, you're not like ripping through your hair. If you're tender-headed, lifesaver. It makes it a lot easier. And I'm just taking some edge control, brushing my hair back, and then I'm going to put it in a low bun. You can do cornrows if, you know, it just is going to be flatter and easier for you. Definitely do that, but I don't need that. So I just slick it back. And then once I slick it back, I am going to clean my hairline because you want that actual edge control product off your hairline so that your install can last long. Your lace can be nice and flat. It won't turn flaky. It won't turn white. It's going to be a good install. So that's what I've done here. It takes 5 minutes, you guys, but it makes the world of a difference. The last step I do is putting on my wig cap. I like a black wig cap because the ball cap method simply is just not for me. So once I put this on, I feel like my hair is flat enough underneath for me to put on my wig. So today I'm going to be working with Wigginshair. They sent over this curly wig. It is the frontal. It is 60 inches. As you can see, it's nice and full, has lots of density. I left all the information on the screen, and everything will be listed down below as well. So I'm putting on the wig. It does have like a strap in there, which I love because I do like the comb for security, but also I've learned that the comb has a lot of puts a lot of like tension on the nape of my neck, and my hair stopped growing back there, child, so I don't like to put the comb. So the strap is a 10 out of 10 for me. This hair is straight out the box. I did not wash it, pluck it, bleach it, anything like that. I literally just put it on my head because it's curly hair. I like to wash my hair before. I recommend you wash your hair before putting it in, but honestly with curly hair, you're literally going to wet it anyway, so same old, right? So I'm cutting off the ear tabs because that's all I need to do. Again, I don't need to pluck or do anything extra. I just need to cut it so that it's nice and snug and so that it is flat. I haven't been using this product by Erica J lately, really because I've been wearing a lot of closures, but today since I had a frontal, I wanted to whip this out because I wanted to make sure my frontal was secure, it was melted, and it was laid. I was running some errands today. And that's another thing I wanted to add in here. Lately, you know, even if I'm not 100% dolled up and face snatched and I have on a fabulous outfit, I want to make sure my hair is done. So I make it a priority to make sure my hair is somewhat done. Even if it's my natural hair. Today I just wanted to do the wig because I felt like it gave me a little, je ne sais quoi. Is that the right word? Am I using it right? I hope so. It just kind of rolled off my tongue. But yeah, I just wanted my hair to be cute, and I knew that the curly hair was going to be great for running errands because I don't have to worry about it being perfect. It can be messy and it's still going to give. So that's what I put on today. So anyways, I'm just doing some finishing touches. I'm hot combing like the edge area so that it's nice and flat. I'm not hot combing it for it to be straight. I'm hot combing it for it to be flat. A lot of people like get in this uproar when you pull out the hot comb with the curly hair, but baby, I don't want it looking like a WIG. I want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. You see that? Yeah. So the hair, you guys, this texture, so pretty. I'm again, you know, a little iffy about the curly hair. I'm getting experimental, but I'm learning to love it. because I'm learning how to actually wear it, and I'm learning what kind of products to use on it and how to work with it. So once you get that down pat, I promise you, you're going to appreciate curly hair a lot more. Curly hair is not as high maintenance, and it should not be as high maintenance as people make it seem, especially with extensions. Natural curly hair, absolutely. Extensions should not be giving you a hard time. So whenever I do my curly hair, I like to use about 2 products. I like to use like a curl cream just to define the curls with the water. I don't count water as a product because like it's water. And then I like to use a serum just to kind of weigh the hair down and get rid of any frizz and give it a nice shine and luster. And typically my products smell good, so it's a win-win. When I tell you guys, this brush has been a lifesaver when it comes to these curly textures that I've been wearing. It like defines the curls and separates them at the same time. I feel like the other brushes I was using were just making the curls go all different directions, and when it would dry, it would just be a big frizzy mess. But this kind of helps the hair keep tamed, and it just looks a lot better. So although I'm not a fan of the super wet look, I do like to define my hair, add product, add water, because throughout the day, it's going to dry, it's going to expand, and it's going to give me the look that I want within a few hours. So I do the same thing to the other side, and then I move on to cutting the lace. I decided to do this while the lace was cutting, just to save time. I'm a person that if I can find an efficient way to do anything, I'm going to. That's why I'm so fast at doing my wig, doing my makeup, because I don't waste time, okay? We got things to do, places to go, people to see. So after my hair was defined, I literally just cut the lace. You guys know I have no rhyme or rhythm when it comes to it. I just kind of like move my hand in a zigzaggy motion, and that's it. So because I'm wearing curly hair today, I also did decide to do a little baby hair, and I loved the hairline on this wig. It was super like what they would call a delicate hairline, but it's just very light and airy. So when you do pull out the baby hairs, they're not super big and thick. I did pluck a little bit of it after figuring out how I wanted my baby hair, but it gave like that kind of wispy look. If I was better at swooping and duping and all that good stuff, it would have looked fabulous, but I'm not there yet. So now I'm adding some foundation into the lace so that when I spray it again and melt it, it's going to be perfect. It looks crazy right now, but when I take off the elastic band again, you guys are going to see it was like a perfect match. And voila, it looks so good. So now I'm just doing my finishing touches, just making sure that it's giving scalpiana. I'm going to start with my baby hairs, cutting them, swooping them. My hair is literally already styled, so don't need to do that. This hairstyle, once again, you guys, I just amazed myself. I shocked myself. It took me like 30 minutes to do, and it made a world of a difference. I was out all day. I felt good. I felt confident. I felt great. I got compliments, and it just makes a difference when you take a little bit more time, to yourself and doing something that works for you. For me, it's my hair. My hair makes me feel good. I don't have to wear makeup. For you, it may be your makeup. For somebody else, it may be their outfit. For somebody else, it may be like a fragrance. Whatever makes you feel good, take that extra time before you step out just to do that. And I promise you, you're going to feel good from within. Before I headed out the house, I did do a little, touch up. I made sure I added some powder to my part. I did a little lace check, a little edge check, sprayed down anything that needed to be secured, and I headed out the house. So this is the hair about 60% dry, and then you guys are going to see at the end, I came back home, I did my makeup, and the hair was 100% dry. It looked so good. I love how it dried. I love how like poofy it got, but in the best way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys are checking out the description box. Check out Wigginshair. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.